Good day. We are the last reporters and we will discussing about metadata management. So, here's our contents on this module. What is metadata? Types of metadata, managing metadata on dataset, metadata schema, metadata life cycle, and metadata quality. So, what is metadata? An element of metadata describes an information resource or helps provide access to an information resource. A collection of such metadata elements may describe one or many information resources. So, metadata is that provides information about other data, but not the content of the data itself, such as the text of a message or the image itself. So there are six types of metadata. First is structural metadata. Second is descriptive metadata. Third is preservation metadata. Fourth is provenance metadata. And fifth is definitional metadata. And lastly, administrative metadata. And for the first type of metadata, which is structural metadata, structural metadata contains useful information that helps in the establishment of object relationships. The characteristics of structural metadata include: first is enable people to comprehend and successfully employ the data resource. Second is describes the hierarchical structures that exist between various and data resources. Third is improves the display and navigation of obtained information using page turning software. It depends on how customer images are delivered and stored. Second type of metadata is descriptive metadata. So descriptive metadata is important for identifying and distinguishing a data resource. It includes details regarding the data's context and content. Descriptive metadata is structured and frequently follows one or more established standard schemes. At the system level, descriptive metadata enables users to search for and obtain information. Descriptive metadata describes attributes such as author, topic, and title, which aids in identification and discovery of information assets. The third types of metadata is preservation metadata. Metadata can assist the process of sustaining a digital object or file. This data may be needed to access a file. Metadata preserves a digital file or object from beginning to end. One of the common patterns is preservation metadata implementation strategies. It emphasizes preservation and maintenance fundamentals.
Provenance metadata. Provenance metadata give useful information about a data resources. The characteristic of provenance metadata include the data such as data ownership, transformations, consumptions, and archival facilitates monitoring of a resource lifecycle. Provenance metadata is established when a new version of a set of data is created. It describes the relationship among various versions of data objects. Users can query the relationship among versions and provide fine or coarse-grained provenance information of collected data. Definitional metadata. Definitional metadata is a data that establishes a shared lexicon for comprehending the significance of the data. Semantic and schematic are metadata types. Textual vocabularies can describe or organize and structure data. Semantically, schemas display database data in structured format. Administrative metadata. Administrative metadata describe a file constraints. Administrator can restrict file access using this data. Administrative metadata provide complete details regarding data. User can manage a variety of data files.
Managing metadata on datasets. Managing metadata on datasets involves organizing and documenting information about dataset itself, such its structures, content, source, and usage. This includes details like variable names, data types, descriptions, and transformations applied. Properly managed metadata facilitate data discovery, understanding, and reproducibility. These are various tools and standards available for managing metadata, such as Dublin Core, Data Documentation Initiative, DDI, and JSON-LD. Metadata schema. A metadata schema is essentially a blueprint of structure that outlines the type of metadata elements to be collected and how they are organized within a particular system of domain. It defines the various attributes, properties, and relationships of the metadata elements, providing a standardized framework for descriptive and managing data assets. For example, a metadata schema for a digital image collections might include elements such as title, creator, data created, live file format, resolutions, and keywords. Each element would have specific guidelines regarding its formats, allowed values, and relationship with others elements. Metadata schema. Metadata schemas can vary widely depending on the specific requirements of domains or systems they are designed for. Common examples include Dublin Core for general resources descriptions, MODS, metadata objects description schema, for bibliographic informations, and CHEMAS, or web page metadata.
So, yung metadata lifecycle, generally nagko-consist ng numerous stages like creation, capture, storage, management, discovery, use, archiving, and deletion. The first is creation. Yung metadata ay first generated kapag ang dataset is created or gathered. This provides details katulad ng dataset's titles, description, creator, and creation date. Second is capture. So dito, yung metadata is collected either manually or automatically. Yung manual capture requires human input, samantalang yung automation capture may entail collecting metadata mula sa dataset or supporting documentation. Third is storage. Yung metadata is kept sa metadata repository or database. So, yung metadata repository na to is yung pretentious term for nothing other than a computerized database na nagko-contain ng metadata para masupport yung development, maintenance, and operation ng major portion ng isang enterprise system. Among other things, such as repository can be the foundation para sa data warehouse. So, balik tayo sa storage. Possible siya na separate system or integrated sa dataset storage system. Fourth is management. Dito, yung metadata is controlled throughout the lifespan niya, which includes updates, revisions, and version controls. This guarantees that yung metadata is accurate and up-to-date. Fifth is discovery. The metadata allows users na ma-discover at magamit ang dataset. This entails enabling search and browsing capabilities based sa metadata properties. Sixth is use. Yung mga data user utilize metadata para ma-comprehend yung dataset, ma-assess yung quality, at ma-determine whether it is compatible with their requirements. Seventh is maintenance, wherein yung metadata over time may need to be updated to reflect changes sa dataset or its context. This might include changing descriptions, adding new characteristics, or retiring outdated metadata.
So, next is archiving.
Kapag yung dataset ay no longer actively used, yung metadata may be archived para sa future reference. Ine-ensure ng archiving na yung metadata remains accessible even after ng dataset ay no longer in use. Lastly is yung deletion, wherein yung metadata ay pwedeng ma-erase if hindi na siya longer required or kapag yung dataset is discarded.
Metadata quality. Metadata quality is essential for effectively managing and utilizing data. It encompasses aspects such as accuracy, completeness, consistency, and relevance. High quality metadata ensures that data can be easily discovered, understood, and used appropriately. Summary. Metadata elements describe and facilitate access to information resources, encompassing types such as structural, descriptive, preservation, provenance, definitional, and administrative metadata. Structural metadata organizes object relationships, improving data navigation and comprehension, while descriptive metadata identifies and distinguishes resources, aiding searchability through standardized schemes. Preservation metadata ensures the longevity and accessibility of digital objects, focusing on maintenance strategies. Provenance metadata tracks the origin and life cycle of data, aiding in version management and transformation monitoring.
Definitional metadata is standardized vocabulary for data understanding, and administrative metadata governance, life access, and details. Managing metadata involves documenting datasets, details like structures and transformations using tools and standards such as Dublin Core and JSONLD. Metadata chemists providing a structured framework for these elements, varying by domain needs. The metadata life cycles includes creations, capture, storage, management discovery, use, archiving, and deletions, with quality considerations ensuring data is accurately described and usable.